So to pack these into the cases, you take 2 tracks at a time, and you'll take the back one and put it in between the 2 tracks together, slide them together so you have your back one on top of your front one. So to get this last one in, you're gonna have to pick this up, kind of rotate it to bring these out. Then you can fit this in just like that. See how the bottom loop is fitting in between the other 2 loops, right there? And you can just kind of fit it all in. So the last 3 tracks just fit right on top. Your paper holder at the end fits right in there. Your sled fits right in there. The 2 long pieces for the end also fit in there. Then all of your pins and all of your pipe go right here. After that's all nice and tidy,